Green ball. Number 10 to number 0. Number 18. Same on. 11 to shoot. 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Down to shoot. Number 0 to number 11. Spot to shoot. Push foul. Push foul. 19. Number 19. 19 red. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. By number 26. Hindi pumasok ang unang preso. Second try. Wala. Ibang game. Number 20. Down. Down. 10 to shoot. 20. 5 to shoot. Number 3. Wala. Number 0. Number 63. Tingnan na lang. 19. Number 19. Alam mo na. Warning ka na. Number 67. Second. Substitution po. Iwasan na kung papasok. Substitution. Sige. Pasok na. Number 17. Number 16. Number 5. Pushing foul. One for technical bench na block. Pakiusap na. Kung nakaball lumapit, wala po sa bench nyo. Second personal foul ha. Number 5. 13 foul. 3 shots po tayo. 3 shots. Second try. Third try. Substitution. 10 in, time out. Wala na lang po ang kalamangan ng black team. Big down. Nasa kay number 20. To number 10. Palang ang galing. Para. Post down. 88. First personal foul. First team foul. Shooting foul. First right pumasok. Kaya number 10. Official time is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 20, Nick Tang. Number 26 to Nick Tang. To number 64 to Miracle Pérez. Wala ako na number 26. To number 10. Number 10. To number official score is 54-64 in favor of Black Team. Sa pula po ang kalamangan ng Black Team. 6 minutes and 30 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras sa ating fourth quarter. Corrado tumira ng 3. Wala ka pa kasi mga number 64. 64 na rebound. Start the shot! Deep down! Pinagyaman niya ng pin. Ako rin number 20. To number 60 to Figueroa. Figueroa! Usman! Wala pa namin number 26. So, patay number 26. Number 20 to number 9. Number 9 to number 20. To Figueroa. To number 9. So, na-rebound din. Number 20. Number 17. 17. Tison. Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Number 13. First personal foul. One and one. Penalty. Time out po, Black. Ilan ang time out?
64-56, yeah? 5 minutes 42 and 4.
Ang time out po ng Ray is 3, sa Black 2. And that's all. Maraming salamat po. Let's go back to the ball game. Ikaw na kain ko eh. Free throw by number 63, Figueroa. Wala, hindi pumasok ang winning throw ni Figueroa. Second try. Wala pumasok sa free throw ni Figueroa. Official score, 56-64 in favor of Black Team. Corrado. Pasok. 2 points by number 10. What a pass! What amazing pass by Quason. Wala, rebound ni Quason on the rebound. Number 21, Nick Down. Nick Down. Pinasakay Nick Down din. Nick Down, pinasakay Quason. Hindi po. Nagtabat-tabat ng Dre. 10 to shoot. Number 21, tumira ng press. Official time! 4 minutes and 56 seconds! champion sa OG Division? Ang Greyback o ang Black Team? Number 20? Oh. Number 21? 21, pinasa ka number 20, pinasa ka number 10! Pinasa ka number 10! Breakdown Brothers! Magkatalikyan ko na kayo! Number 17, Tizon! Wala, Usma! 20! 1! Third personal foul! Penalty! First line, may number 17. Pumasok ang unang free throw ni number 17. Second point. Number 10. 17. First personal foul, second team foul. Official time is 4 minutes and 30 seconds, 57-71 in favor of Black Team. Number 64, number 21, 10 to shoot, lift down, number 1 up. 21! Foul, penalty! Number 21! Warning tip namin na rin. Penalty na mo! Fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Hindi bumababa yung naman ha. Hindi bababa ng apat.
First try by Pumasok. Second try. Line ball, gray ball. 11 to shoot. Isa to meron ng press. Wala rin mga support. Number 20. Magtap, pinasa ka tutap. Offensive foul. Uspa ulit. 26. Right. Second personal foul. Lang po second personal foul lang po. Offensive foul. Number 20. Number 20. 20 to meron ng tres. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Lift down. To Black Team. Same ball. Substitution.
Kailangan nila ng tumitira eh. Kaya nila ng ano eh.
21 to meron ng tres. Wala rin kami number 10. Number 10. That is it. 21. Tumira na tres. 17. Focus by number 17. Last 4 minutes na po ang ating fourth quarter. 21. Number 10. Number 20. 20. Pinasa number 19. Focus by number 19. Check lang na po ha. Okay, let's go back to the ball game. Number 2. For number 63, Figueroa. Who's power? Number 10. Penalty. Number 10, right? Second personal foul. Penalty po ang black team. 63. Figueroa, free throw. Wala. Second drive. Wala. Ito ang number 2. There to shoot. Patay ang puti. Patay number 62. Next 2 minutes. 7 back level. There to shoot. Five to shoot. Number 17 to number 20. Focus by number 20. Number 10. Number 19. Number 63. Number 64. Number 21. 64. Number 19, layup. Wala pa rin. Sumakla na naman ang tira ng number 19. 63, tumira ng 3. Wala rin wala number 17, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Dijon. Wala. And the shoot. First layup, number 5. Number 20. Bago next up, number 20. Last 1 minute. Foul number 20. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Twenty-one. Let down. 12. And the shoot. 20. Middle of rest. Bang, bang, bang. Number 21 for 3. He's on. Thirty-four seconds. Wala. 30 seconds. Number 10. Bang, bang, bang. Number 10 for 3. Waiting. Penalty. Who's my back? 2. Seven. Number 2. Second personal foul. Penalty. 26 seconds.
Straight ito, walang talo.
Undefeated pala yan.
Pumasok ang free throw number 20. Tuwag to by number 20. 26 seconds. Congratulations, Black Team! Batch 2003!